Hello, geometry students. Okay, so we're going to do this one. So Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is this. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now, every right triangle, remember, for order right triangle to be a right triangle, someone's got to do this. Someone's got to give you this thing. They got to give you that. They got to say, okay, this is a right triangle. See this little box here. Now, this one, we are calling the hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse. It's always the biggest side of the triangle. It's always the one that is across from the right angle. Here's another angle, go across, that's not type. This angle, When you have the right angle, the one that's across from it is what we call the hypotenuse. And that number always goes here. So if you have it or you don't have it, if this is known or unknown, it's always the hypotenuse. Now they say the legs, well this is a leg, and this is another leg, are 10 and 24. What is the hypotenuse? So we come back to algebra. A, I could choose either which one I want to put A. I'm just going to go, the smaller one is A. The next one is B. It doesn't really matter. It could be 24 squared plus 10 squared equals, well, we don't know C. 10 squared is 100. 24 squared, I didn't even know that one in my head. 24 squared, I'm usually good with these numbers. 24 squared is 576, so obviously we use the calculator for this. Equals C squared. I add these up, I get 676 equals 6C squared. Next thing, square root. I want to get rid of that square root. On my calculator. Remember, you can use Desmos. Desmos app, download it now that you don't have access to these calculators. But I'm going to go on my trusty calculator and do second square root of 676. It's a nice whole number. Sometimes this will be a decimal, but this number here is 26. So that tells me this hypotenuse, this number here, the hypotenuse, the biggest side, is 26.